Let's make shrimp scampi pasta. Boil your thin noodles in salted water. In a bowl, mix your shrimp with a half a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In a hot pan, pour enough olive oil to cover the bottom. Now place your shrimp into the pan and fry on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp from the pan. Add at least 6 garlic cloves to the oil and saute for about 1 minute. Pour in 1 cup of white wine, cover, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Throw in your 2 diced shallots, a diced tomato, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Mix well. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream, add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, stir, and then add about 3 bay leaves. Cover and let simmer for about 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.